ಮೊದಲು ಮಾತನಾಡೋಕೆ ಒಪ್ಪದ ಕರಿಷ್ಮಾ ನಂತರ ಹೇಗೋ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಬದಲಾಯಿಸಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಿಗೆ ಕುಳಿತರು. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಹೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ನಡೀತಿರೋ ವಿಷಯ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ವಿಷಯ ಬಾಯ್ಬಿಡೋಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
Please Sandeep, I really don't want to talk about any controversy because I'm done with it.
No, see, I'm not here to ask about any controversy or nothing. Just I want a simple interview from your side. Anyway, your movie is getting released.
Yeah, I've given a lot of interviews, Sandeep. So I basically don't want to talk about anything,
Anything about this movie or either anything about your personal? Because I came here to take Karishma Tana's interview.
Fine, if you want it, then I can.
So Karishma, I want to know that actually this is your first movie, right? Matabani
This is my first one.
Before that?
I have done a couple of television shows and all. I'm doing lots of posting, but this is my first South film. So yeah, I'm excited about it. Now let's see how it goes.
You are into modeling field also.
I'm into modeling.
And how you got selected to this movie, Matabani Prison?
Actually, Ravindra, my director, had taken a lot of interviews, lot of auditions of a lot of girls. He always said that I'm like the 99th, the 100th girl. He was that choosy for this film and all.
Okay.
And finally, he discovered me, and finally, I was the film heroine.
And this is your first movie is going to get released soon.
Yes.
But thing is, okay, again, I'm not coming for that point. Actually, there is many controversy. Like there's rumor or something. Actually, it's just coming up each and every day about your movies. That thing has happened. This thing has happened, and there's some misunderstanding between you and Ravindra. So maybe about some chemistry. I believe.
To clarify the controversy, to clarify the misunderstanding, I'd come to Bangalore and I'd given the interviews that I don't have any problems with Ravindra. People made it like that I'm not the heroine of the film. Now since it's my first film and Ravindra had promised me that I'm the heroine of the film, then I would feel bad definitely that why am I not the first main lead, because whatever it is, it comes on my career first, that I'm doing my first film in Bollywood also. I've not done any films which is not lead, so why would I compromise for a South film? That's why he had told me it's a lead film, that's why I did it, A. And B, there was controversies about kissing and about nude, this thing. Nothing is there. If you see the promos, if you go online, there's nothing about kissing. Me and Prem have not even like kissed each other. It's just like a peck and we go down. And I think that's everywhere, it's very normal. And about me showing off my body and all that, it's nothing there. It's like a normal youth film. It's a normal young generation film where it doesn't, in the film nothing is cheap. If you see the film, nothing is cheap. I've done it very nicely, gracefully. So all the controversies, all the misunderstandings are just there. I don't know how it's come and all. I just wanted to clarify to Ravindra that I am the main lead of the film or no, that's it. And I believe and I know that I'm the main lead because I know the entire story.
Why that thing has come actually? Why Ravindra told that you are not the main lead?
He's never told me.
Okay.
People from Bangalore were saying that this is what we've heard, that you are not the main lead and all.
There was some newspaper also the
Some
same.
newspaper. And Ravindra has never told me that you're not the main lead because he has promised me that I'm the main lead.
But thing now there is news that actually you have sent some court notice to Ravindra and all.
Yeah, that was there, but then I have not sent any court notice, thinking that now no point fighting with him and all that. Just let the misunderstandings just go away and all that. Let the film release. I think we both will just be fine.
But even in the beginning, actually, about that kissing and all, actually, even there was some news spreading like you have not agreed for the smooching scene, and afterwards some Prem wife has rejected that. Something, there's many news.
I have no idea. See, according to me, I'm an actress. In the film, a kissing scene is required. I would do it.
Yeah.
Otherwise, don't be an actor.
Sure.
My director is saying that Karishma, this scene will not look cheap. You do it. So I will blindly believe him and do it. I will not have any, like my opinions, or I'll not have any tantrums that I can't kiss and all that. I had no problems. About Prem, I have no idea about his personal life and wife and all that. If wife said no, then Prem would not kiss.
Correct.
I mean, I have no idea about he not kissing or wife has said no or whatever. If my director is saying that I have to kiss in the film and it doesn't look cheap, I would do it. Everyone does it in today's world. I mean, you're an actress. You can't have so many problems that I won't do that, I won't do this and all that. I'm not an Aishwarya Rai, I can say that, okay, I'm not going to kiss and all that.
And then why, Karishma, this is your first movie, why there's many controversies?
I have no idea. That's why I want to put all the controversies to rest. I don't want, it's my first film, it will hamper my career. The directors, the producers will think that अच्छा करिश्मा का पहला फिल्म है and she has lot of controversy. She's suing that director, she's suing that director, she's doing this. There is so many controversies about kissing and all that. So I don't want any controversies. That's why I don't want to give interviews only to anyone. That this is not me, I am only professional. When the film releases, my director calls me, I'll go for the promotion, I'll release my film and I'll come back. That's it.
ಇವರ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಹೋದ ನಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿದದ್ದು ಇದೊಂದು ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಈಗೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂತ. ಬಾಲಿವುಡ್ನಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಈಕೆಗೆ ತಾನೇ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಅನ್ನೋ ಹಠ. ಈಕೆಯನ್ನು ಕರೆದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಿಗೆ ನಾನೇನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಈಗೋ. ಆದರೆ ಇದು ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಸಿನಿಮಾ. ಪ್ರಚಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋಕೆ ಈಕೆಗೆ ಆಸೆ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ತನ್ನನ್ನು ಕರೆಯಲಿ ಅನ್ನುವ ಮನೋಭಾವ ಈಕೆಯದ್ದು. ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕಳುಹಿಸಿರುವ ಕರಿಷ್ಮಾಳನ್ನು ನಾನ್ಯಾಕೆ ಕರೆಯಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಮಾತು.
Okay, you're waiting for his call, and once he call again, you can go for the promotion.
Of course. I'm ready. I'm waiting for the promotion.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪರಸ್ಪರ ಈಗೋ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ವಿವಾದವೇನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ತಿಳಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಅವರಿಬ್ಬರ ಈ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ವಾರ್ಗೆ ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇಟ್ಟು ಸಂಧಾನ ಮಾಡಿಸೋ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ.
Okay. Did you try to clarify these things with Ravindra,
Yes,
with
I
your
have.
team?
But I think no one has got back to me. But I'm sure now, if the film is releasing, Ravindra will call me.
Okay, Ravindra. Okay, did you try to call him and ask that from the when promotion you're doing and all?
No, I know whenever the film promotion will start, he'll call me because I know that it's only me and Prem who can do the promotions.
Because as per the news, actually, film is going to get released so soon, maybe next month, first week or second week. It's not even 1 week ahead.
Correct.
So nobody called you actually. So
No.
if they calls you, then you are ready to go.
Of course, I'm ready to go. If they don't call me, then I'm still fine. I'll see the film. I know it.
Okay. Because as people think that actually Karishma is doing some hangama that this and all, she's not coming for a promotion, but you are telling you are ready to go for a promotion.
I'm ready. I'm very ready. Ravindra calls me right now. I'm gonna take the first flight and come to Bangalore.
If I call Ravindra now, I'll make you talk to you actually. So will you talk to Ravindra now?
Of course.
So if he calls, then you'll go for the promotions also,
Yeah,
right?
of course.
ರವೀಂದ್ರ ಅವರ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಸಂದೀಪ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು.
ಹೇಳಿ.
ನಾನಿವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೀರೋಯಿನ್ ಕರಿಷ್ಮಾ ತನ್ನ ಆಪೋಸಿಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಮುಂಬೈಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ನೀವು ಬಾಂಬೆಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರಾ? ಏನು ಸಂದೀಪ್ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಹೇಳಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ?
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚಿತ್ರದ್ದು ತುಂಬ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ಗಳಿತ್ತಲ್ವ, ಏನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಸೊ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಪುಟ್ಟ.
ಸಂದೀಪ್, ಒಂದಂತೂ ನಿಜ, ಕರಿಷ್ಮಾ ತನ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಂದು ಏನೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವಳು ನನ್ನ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಟಿಸಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಅವಳು ಪ್ರಚಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಕರಿತೀನಿ. ನಂದು ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಈಗೋ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮುಖ್ಯ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೌದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಹೌದು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಮೇಲೆ ನನಗೂ ಕೂಡ ವಿಷಯ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು, ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಒಂದು ಈಗೋ ಕ್ಲಾಶ್ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕರಿಷ್ಮಾ ತವನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡಿದೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ತನಕ. ಈವನ್ ಅವ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಇವಾಗ ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ಸ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕರಿಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇನ್ನು ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ಸಿಗೆ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೇ ಇದ್ರೂ ನೀವು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಒಂದು ಇಶ್ಯೂಗಳನ್ನ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ದೊಡ್ಡ ವಿವಾದ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಸೊ ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇಡೋದು ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ನನಗನ್ನಿಸ್ತು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ನು. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡೋಗಿದ್ರೆ ಫೋನ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಅವರಿಗೆ.
ಬಂದರೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ಕರಿತೀನಿ, ಖಂಡಿತ ಕೊಡಿ, ಬಂದರೆ ಕರಿತೀನಿ.
Hello.
ಹಾಯ್ ಕರಿಷ್ಮಾ.
Hi Ravi. Where have you been?
ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಕರಿಷ್ಮಾ? Yeah, it's releasing on 10th. You have done a wonderful performance. I'll tell you, definitely I loved your performance. If you are coming to Bangalore, nothing like that, please come. You are most welcome. Please come. That is your cinema. Yeah.
We can promote and then we can release the film and then we can celebrate, Ravi.
ಕಾಂಟ್ರವರ್ಸಿ ಸುದ್ದಿ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಮುಂಬೈಗೆ ಬಂದಿರೋ ನಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿದಿರೋದು ಇದೊಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಈಗೋ ಕ್ಲಾಶ್ ಅಂತ. ಆದರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಇಬ್ಬರು ತಮ್ಮ ಈಗೋಗಳನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸಾರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಂಥ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಿವಾದಗಳನ್ನ ಅವರೇ ಬಗೆಹರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಈ ವಿವಾದಗಳೇ ಬೆಳೆದು ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ಚಿತ್ರದ ಸೋಲಿಗೆ ಅದೇ ಕಾರಣ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಜೊತೆ ಸಂದೀಪ್, ಸುವರ್ಣ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 24.